Alright, we got a little bit of mail call going on here. Let's see what we got. These two boxes are from Amazon, and I think they're the USB microscope, a little loop, lighted loop I ordered, and I also ordered a weight with a scale with a calibration weight. I opened them, but I have not looked inside. This envelope here, I think is something I ordered off of eBay. I ordered one for me and one for my brother. It was just like a little copper round that said, or silver round that said, I can't remember right now, but about the Second Amendment. So let's go ahead and do the envelope first. I opened it, but I have not looked. And this is actually from Collectibles. I hope I didn't accidentally show my address there. Alright, this looks like the 2 coins that I ordered. Alright, maybe I should have opened it first so I can see. Alright, let's just put that here. Alright, sorry about that. So we've got here the Second Amendment, constitutional right to bear arms, and then you take these up pretty good. Put you down just for a second while I untape these real quick, at least to get to the back of these coin holders here, so we can see the back of the coins. And the letter said that I tore up said thank you. That recycles. Alright. So we've got here that way, if you want to, you can go ahead and pause it and then take a screenshot. That means pause it so you can read it. Alright, from there we will go to this box right here. And let's see. Okay, here we have the pluggable USB digital microscope. It says 250 times magnification. Looks like I can hook it up to a laptop or looks like a tablet. Explore, enrich, and educate. Pluggable USB 2 digital microscope. And it says features up to 250 times magnification, 2.0 megapixels. Can function as a simple webcam and record videos. LED light control to adjust brightness. Snapshot touch button to instantly capture images. Software included for easy file management. Then the specs here is interface US 2.0, magnification range 60 times to 250 times. I thought it said on there up to 1,000 times, but I'll have to check that out, and I'll let y'all know by a little note on the screen. Illumination 4 SMD LEDs, dimmable, sensor type C MOS. Maximum resolution is 1600 by 1200 snapshot, 640 by 480 video. Operating systems is good. Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows XP, Mac OS 10 and RX, and Android. And then down here it says questions. We're here to help. Visit pluggable.com/products. And then this other one, our email, support@pluggable.com. I'll leave it on there for a couple so you can pause it and read it. Alright, the next item out of there is, and it's going to be in another package. Let's see what it says. American Weigh Scales 100 steel calibration weight, new. Alright, I'm going to put you down again, just so that I can open up this so I can show you the scale. Whew, I need to get a tripod for the phone here. Alright, this is the calibration weight. Comes in a little Ziploc baggie. Doesn't have anything on the bottom. And it says, looks like 1009 on the front, or the top, I mean. Got a nice little notch there that you can grab it with. Alright. And this is recommended by Mantic Coins. Shane Adriana AWS 100 digital scale, stainless steel, flip open protective cover. Alright, you got here capacity 100 grams, 3.528 ounces, 500 carat, 1.44 grains, readability 0.01 gram, 0.001 ounce, 0.05 carat, and 0.2 grain. Power, two AAAs included. Platform size is 2.5, 3.0, or 2.5 by 3.0. Auto off, 60 seconds, no activity. There's the model number again. Model number on this side. Made in China. We got 100th of the grain accuracy, 0.01 gram, 100 gram capacity, flip open protective cover, includes 2 AAA batteries, and there's a picture of it. And there's my doggy checking out what I'm doing. There's my Spurs body pillow. Alright, let's come back to this box now. And this box has this whole big box for that little bitty item right there. I don't know why they didn't put them all in the same big box here. But this one was also recommended by Mantic Coins, Adriana and Shay. This says illuminated loop, LED light 40 times by 25 millimeters. Okay. Nothing on the end there. That's the model number and everything. And then this side says, it's got a picture. It says LED 6 shaped jewelry magnifier, magnification 40 times, lens diameter 25 millimeter, illumination LED light, uses, looks like, I don't know if that's 3 of these batteries, or let me open it so we can see.